A change in field now. Third man going back. Well, he's got to get going with that strike rate. China Super Kings need him.
Flicked away powerfully for 4. That is typical MS. It was bowled from wide of the crease by Karen Pollard, but DHONI adjusting extremely well.
And what a way to get off the mark. Very good shot this. Up in the air, all right, but the fielder was at square leg. So he knew exactly where the fielder was.
Slower ball driven down the ground. He's come with aggressive intent. The captain